We just got our first harvest of strawberries for the season. Now I'm preparing them into homemade strawberry jam. Now we have all of our strawberries cut up in a bowl. Now we're going to mash them. Just mash them until they're all mashed. Since this is an old-fashioned strawberry jam, we aren't using any pectin, so we're going to be boiling it for 25 to 30 minutes until it reaches 220 degrees. Now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2¼ cups of sugar. If you want to, you can add 1/4 cup of butter to reduce the foam in the jam when it boils. And you don't have to melt the butter. You can just put it in since it's going to melt already. This is an old-fashioned strawberry jam recipe, so it will be thick, sticky, and it will go great on peanut butter and jelly and toast. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes now, and it just hit 220. Now we're going to put a little bit on a plate and put it in the fridge for about a minute to see if it sets. Now we'll see what happens in 1 minute. Looks like it's ready. It's good. We were able to fill 6 4-ounce jars, and since it's still hot, we're gonna be making little desserts called mini strawberry lemon pie bites. And we have these mini pie crusts, and tonight we're gonna put in a teaspoon of the strawberry jam in each of them. And overnight they will set, and tomorrow we'll take them out of the fridge and we'll put a little layer of the lemon curd I've already made on top. Looks good already. Wait till it. It finally set. It's the best batch of jam I ever made. It's darker in color, it's really caramely, sticky, and it's really sweet. I bet it would taste delicious on peanut butter and jelly. Oh yeah. That's good. Need more. Look, now they all set. It's not liquidy anymore, and it's not falling out. Now I'm gonna put on the lemon curd, which I made a few weeks ago and put in the freezer, and yesterday I thawed it. Just gonna put a little bit on top. The sweetness of the jam and the tartness of the lemon curd will go great together. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe.